In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the sensitive content setting on Twitter or X. By default, Twitter filters out sensitive content that may not be suitable for all audiences. However, if you would like to view all types of tweets without any restrictions, you can easily disable this setting. To get started, open up any web browser you like, tap on the URL bar, and go to twitter.com. After that, sign in to your Twitter account. And then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Twitter settings page, tap where it says Privacy and Safety. And then tap Content You See. Now you have to tweak some settings to see sensitive content on Twitter and turn off the sensitive content filter. First, enable this. Display media that may contain sensitive content. To do that, tap over here and put a checkmark on it. Once you've done that, tap where it says Search Settings. And then disable this. Hide sensitive content. To do that, tap over here and remove the checkmark. Now you can view all types of content without any restrictions or filters. Remember that by turning off this setting, you may come across tweets with potentially harmful material, so proceed with caution. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.